What's going on, guys? Scotty with Midland Marine. Give you a little tutorial. We installed this Garmin Switch System, which is an awesome system. It's an affordable switching system that you could do yourself. It's not like a C-zone system. It's pre-programmed with, I believe it has 12 circuits in it, or more, I think. No, it's got 12 circuits in it. So if you need another one, you need to get 2 of these. But this thing's set up, it's got bilge already built into it. So these are your bilge front wires, and then everything else is pre-wired in here. The only thing that sucks about this unit is if you have live well pumps that are pulling more than a certain amps, it's going to trip the breaker constantly internally, this thing. That's what we had the problem with this thing. We didn't realize when we first installed it. So there's a solution to that. You need to install relays that can take the load off the pump and make it work. So that's what we're installing now. We got these relays in here now. We're rewiring them now. We had them wired wrong the first time, so we're getting it figured out now. But this is our wiring diagram that we're going by. Basically, what we're doing here is white. It needs to have constant power and constant ground. So here's our ground. Here, the red is going to be our constant power to the relay. So we're going to put a breaker here, or a fuse here, and then blue goes to the pump or our accessory. White is going to go to where we're coming in for our fuses for the switching, and then yellow you don't use. So that's how you do it. We're gonna mount these up nice and neatly. We're gonna do a stack of them down here, and yeah, that's gonna be it. So little trick for you guys. Like I said, awesome switching system. We also have, what we did is it's another switch panel we did for him for just stuff that he's going to be using constantly. I believe we did a coffin box, some deck lighting, one of his bilge pumps, deck light, nav lights, just stuff that he's going to be using all the time. So instead of digging through the GPS to get to him, he's got his switches right here. So yeah, that's it. There you go. Little tip for you.